Let's get to Julia Boorstin now, who is with MySpace co-founder and former CEO Chris DeWolfer on his latest venture, a SPAC. Julia.
Thank you, Dee. And that's right. In addition to those MySpace titles, Chris DeWolfer is CEO and founder of mobile game developer Jam City. Chris, thanks for joining us today as your company agrees on a SPAC deal valuing Jam City at $1.2 billion.
Thanks for having me, Julia.
So, Chris, tell us, what's next for Jam City now that you will have over $115 million of cash on your balance sheet? What are you going to do with that?
Yeah, so it's really the next logical step for us as a company. We started the company about 10 years ago with the idea of creating one of the largest mobile entertainment companies in the world. We've been growing in a huge way. We've been growing, 2022 growth is at 23%. EBITDA is at 30% growth. So the market is getting bigger and bigger. There's going to be 2.7 billion gamers this year, and we're consolidating the market. So we're going to be using the extra cash for M&A and to grow our own organic games as well.
Now, it's worth noting that your games do rely on in-app purchases, and we have been very closely following this Epic versus Apple lawsuit. How could the outcome of that lawsuit impact Jam City and your games?
Yeah, we don't really know how it's going to impact our games or how that's going to go down. We have great relationships with Apple and Google. Clearly, if those percentages that are applied to the game developers get reduced from 30% down to something lower, means potentially higher profit margins. But that's nothing that we're necessarily counting on. And we appreciate our great relationships with both platforms.
So it sounds like you have a very different approach to this situation than Epic, also a game maker, has. Sounds like you don't think that Apple has a monopoly?
No, I don't think that they necessarily have a monopoly. That's not really for us to decide. We work very closely with Apple. They're pushing the envelope on technology. We're pushing the envelope on technology. We're trying to figure out how to do that together to create the best mobile entertainment that we can.
And Chris, it's so interesting because you have such great perspective on what's going on in the world right now because you co-founded MySpace. Now you advertise for your games on Facebook. It's a lead generation for your game downloads. What is your perspective on what's going on with the social giants right now? A lot of people say they've become too powerful. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's a really tough situation to control. I think we're also seeing a big change in user behavior, and that social apps like games are becoming the new social engagement engines. So if you look at games like Jam City games, where people are playing 40 to 50 minutes per day, every day, that's actually more time than they're spending on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any of the other social channels. So people are using the Jam City games to socialize, they're using it to relax, to de-stress. So I think you're seeing folks venturing out a little bit past Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat into other areas to socialize.
And do you think that the growth you saw in the sort of social behavior on games benefited from the pandemic and people being stuck at home more? Do you think that your numbers are going to decline once people get more out in the world?
We don't. General engagement numbers didn't move that much. The one thing that we did see was that in the second quarter of 2020, right when the pandemic was starting, CPMs, or advertising prices, actually decreased. That allowed us to bring more players into our games. So from that perspective, for a 3 to 4 month period of time, we had higher traffic into our games, and then that normalized sometime in the third quarter. And we just continue to grow. We were growing before the pandemic. We're growing after the pandemic. And as I mentioned before, Part of this transaction, we're acquiring Ludia Corporation, which is one of the largest mobile gaming companies in Canada, definitely one of the most creative games in Canada. We're acquiring that for $175 million. And really looking forward to that, more acquisitions and releasing more great organic games from the slate that we have.